I know I'm in the minority here, but I don't really like the...
He taped a mirror, a message to the mirror. The way we get to, everything gets to me through my wife and daughter now, is they know I have to shave in the morning. So they'll tape on the mirror for real.
There's clearly some dementia. He's not lucid.
I have a brain cloud.
Those cities are down in Philadelphia and New York, areas I know well, like up here.
My brain is like oatmeal.
Your brain needs to reboot.
You'd see a truck pull to the curb and selling weapons, selling guns, selling AR-15, selling weapons.
A bumbling, inept fool.
There's a storm coming in. Is that right? Is that still the deal? That's the truth. Now, don't make a lie. As that scene in the John Wayne movie, don't make me a dog-faced...
You're a tough guy.
It's just embarrassing.